ha ka sin jam ban pen kiu ye kam china film ha ka jila ka so kal migraya ka pen bna pan Puron ye ka Shillong Film Festival aja funreu ka blais ngi ka ta na do apsan na do apnyu trik luber aja funreu Hastit Convention Center Shillong ya ka nei la pen bna menteri ka tanat samjing tip ka jila ba la kemen rembui ubra pen bna ba ka nei ka san kan plila di samla ka jila beran sap ha ka nei ka kam china film bat simbenta kum gi Tyngshop ki Puron ru ba la kemen ong ba ka jila migraya ka dei ba kerku da kemaryang ke ba itnat kerti gedustur kerkom im gibreu bat ke kam cingok kai bat lemba ke jingwan ra ye kan ke tamasa ki film kan nang kenteu susu ye ke kam cingok kai bat kan plelat ru ye gibreu ha kan ke Bynta ha kan ke lais ngi ondon ke jing hikai ke jing yathil bat ke jing pen iru ye ki film ki bana kan ke Jylla Nabar Jylla bat komju ki bana bari ginong sna film kumju ki Tyngshop ki Puron ki bana kan ke Jylla Nabar ru kinwan bar simbenta ha kan ke tamasa.
So before launching all this program, I just want to briefly about the initiative of the government of Meghalaya, with the support of the government of India, that this year the government of Meghalaya through the IPR will formally held the Shillong Film Festival on the 25th till 27th of March 2026. As the Commissioner Secretary mentioned, that this is the path breaking because many things have to follow after this. In this festival, there are so many components which is there. Number one, we are very happy that there are so many entries from other part of the country, other part of Northeast, and also from other part of the outside the country, which will be screened in that film festival, which will held at the State Convention Center here in Shillong. Why the government held this festival? As you know, Meghalaya is blessed with unique culture. We have very unique topography, geography, and the tourist spot. All over the landscape of Meghalaya itself is a tourist spot, which will enable the people from all over the country, all over the world to come, and if they have to shoot their film and come, and by coming here, it will open the eye of our youth. More importantly, it also help the youth to hone their skill with the help of those international acclaimed film producer or director, as the case may be, and also to promote our state. And as you know, that the filmmaking in the state of Meghalaya is not very recent. In fact, 40 years, more than 40 years back, there is one first Khasi film which is being shoot, I think, in Lighthouse Imma. And then after that, then we have a color film by the name of Manik Raitong, somewhere in 1983-84, if I remember correctly. So, and after that, there are so many budding artists and so many budding producer and so many director who come and venture into this. And now in the state of Meghalaya, if you see, there are many producer or many director, many film from different part of the state in different languages. We will keep training, or we will try to keep the training to the budding producer or director, the process of filmmaking and what it is there, so that we will empower them. As I said, this is the first stage. And number three, during the course of the film, there are so many things which we have to do. And so that's why I feel that since it is the first Shillong International Film Festival, which we organized by the Directorate of Information and Publication Government of Meghalaya, it is my duty and to formally announce to the people of the state and the people of the country that on 25th till 27th, there will be a film festival in the Shillong to be held at the Shillong Convention Center here in Shillong. So I welcome
release we want to announce, also give this brief about first Shillong International Film Festival. This film festival has been a long pending demand in our state, but finally under the leadership of Honorable Minister, we are now able to do this, and with the support of Government of India, also in the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister. So this is a I think path-breaking for us, and then this will continue. This is going to be a first film festival, and 2 international films are also part of this, and we are going to continue, and we are going to increase this. So this is basically a starting line where we are going to enter into, government is going to now enter into the gap that is existing in the films, in the film industry. So film industry in our state has not been picking up because of various issues. So now the government is taking keen interest in this. So this is one of the initiatives under the IPR department. So with these few words, I would like to request Honorable Chief